Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can verify your Twilio account. Okay, so for the most part, if you've created a Twilio account and you have found yourself here on your home console, then your account has already been verified. But if you would like to just check that this is verified, or you would like to verify another cell phone number within your account, you can do so by going up to the top right hand side, looking for the little profile icon, using the drop down menu and going to user settings. On the left hand side, you'll see user settings, you'll see overview, security and preferences. Here you will see your two-factor authentication, and here it'll say verified. This is your cell phone number, your email address is verified, and you will then also see down over here all of your other details. If you do go to security on the left hand side, you will see your phone-based verification is text message and your phone number is verified. If you would like to add another phone number or an authentication app, you can do it right over here. So you'll either tap on edit or reset or add authentication app, and then you can verify your account again.